Hey guys, my name is Sam Cross. I am the creator of My Music Mentor, the platform that teaches students how to play piano. I've been working this platform for some time now, and I've been trying to figure out a way that would enable me to expand my reach that is outside the norm. With how to expand my reach, I began to think about what the next level of this thing would be. How to expand my reach beyond traditional forms we've seen lately, with being online, with live streaming, with recording videos and everything. And a thought came to mind that I was reminded of an idea that I had back in college, 20 something years ago. And at the time, it seemed very far-fetched, just with the barriers of entry, the cost of entry, technology being what it was at the time. And I am happy to say that I can now present to you the beta version of Piano Tutor.
Welcome to the Piano Tutor app. I'll walk you through the main features so you can jump right in and start practicing with confidence. Up here on the right, you'll see the MIDI device selector. This is where you connect your keyboard or controller to the app. Just make sure the right one is chosen before you start playing. Now on the top left, you can choose whether to show or hide the note names on the keyboard. If you're still learning the notes, leave them on. It'll give you a boost. But when you're ready for a challenge, switch them off and test yourself. Let's look at these four knobs. They're your main practice tools. Volume, to adjust how loud or soft your playback is. Mode selector, to choose between playback mode, where you hear the whole exercise, or note-by-note mode, which slows it down step by step. Tempo, this is huge for practice. Start slow to nail the details, then speed it up as you get more confident. Transpose, if you need to play in another key, no problem. Just twist the knob and the app shifts everything for you. Right here, you've got the playback control box. This is where you pick your exercise. Once you've got one loaded, you can hit play, pause, stop, or reset. Think of it like your practice remote, total control at your fingertips. And that's it, you're ready to go. Take a few minutes to explore, play around with the settings, and get more comfortable. Remember, this app is here to make your practice easier, more flexible, and way more fun. So dive in and enjoy the music.
So again, guys, this is Piano Tutor, the Piano Tutor app. Again, this is currently just a web app. You can only access it by going online via a laptop or desktop computer. I am, again, working on Android and Apple applications for this, so you can have it on your mobile device as well. To enroll in the Piano Jumpstart course, what you can do is you can visit my website at mymusicmentor.net. Again, that's mymusicmentor.net. The Piano Jumpstart course is for $47 currently. For a limited time, as I make developments with this app and everything else, I will provide an updates to this and removing that cost in its entirety. What you can do once you get to this website, mymusicmentor.net, you can click at the top, which is hidden underneath my my picture, my video in the upper right-hand corner is a start button. But you can also click right here, start playing now, and it will take you to the course, and you can purchase it there. Inside that course, you will have you will be given access to the M3 Piano Tutor app. So that way you can use your MIDI enabled keyboard in playing along with the exercises there within the Piano Tutor app. Again, guys, thank you for tuning in to my big announcement about the Piano Tutor app. I hope that it serves you all well and fulfills any lifelong dreams that you might have had about learning and enjoying piano. God bless. Take care.